This one is called Partition. We sit in silence, squashed in like sardines, 6 to a cabin bed and more on the floor, our limbs overlapping, bodies close enough to feel the heat of each other's breath. To my right, a stranger swallows periodically, his Adam's apple bobbing with the rock of the train, while a child sitting across cries quietly into his mother's lap, his hair ruffled from her fingers running through it. I try to look into his mother's eyes, but she continues to stare out the train window. I wonder what images she can see dancing on the glass. I want her to tell me, to take me with her, but I will not ask. Instead, I fill my lungs with the heavy air passing between us and try to calm myself. But it does not stop my mind from racing back to the bloodshed. I know the man beside me is thinking about the same thing, but we won't speak of it. We will not allow our terror to be solidified with words. The soil outside is still soft from a heavy monsoon, but no amount of rain can wash away the lines that have been drawn into our land. These borders, which rip through the middle of Bengal and the Punjab, are a leaving present from the British, the last stamp of their divide and conquer colonial tactic to ensure our countries are left weakened and easier to control from a distance. But where these lines have been drawn exactly, for us on the train, is unclear. All we have been told is that once we cross the border, we will be safe. So we travel blindly, hoping that we will make it past an invisible line on land that looks the same on both sides. The man beside me offers me a sweet, but my throat is too dry to eat. I take it regardless and thank him quietly. We are lucky to be on a train, inside a carriage. Above us, people sit on the roof, and to our left and right, they hang onto the frame, their arms wrapped around one another to stop them from falling. Others travel on exposed carriages designed for goods and livestock, or pile on top of trucks and inside cars. Many, including my father and my brother, have been unable to board a truck or train and are making the journey on foot. A few precious items from home carried on their backs. My mother's jewelry hidden beneath the folds of their clothes. The woman opposite me is clinging onto a bag of her own cooking equipment. A Kagniwala glass, a cooking pot, a pestle and mortar. I too have my own small bag, which holds a pashmina shawl wrapped around pictures of my family. My father has told me to show the images to officials when I arrive, and that I should use the shawl as payment to help me find him. This bag is all I have from my home my family has lived in for generations. I left in a rush, my bed unmade, a book open on my pillow. I wonder how long my belongings will remain frozen like that, or if our house has already been raided. The chair where my great-grandfather used to sit thrown onto the street, the blanket made by my mother torn and muddied. I shake the thought away and tear the soft sweet in two, placing half in my mouth and offering the other half to the crying child. He wipes his eyes and takes it, filling his cheeks with syrup. The man beside me smiles with warmth as the child's mother fixes her gaze on me. She nods with gratitude, but her eyes are burning like a campfire, with a mixture of love and rage only a mother knows. She looks at me deeply, drawing me in, and I feel the terror inside me subside. Her eyes are sharp, alert, and it is quickly so clear what she has been thinking. Her mind has been focused on the future and the home she will build when we arrive on the other side. Thank you.